Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing the platform. Make sure the magnifier and red dot are torqued to spec, and the rifle sits firmly in a rest. Once done, establish a consistent cheek weld and sight picture so adjustments translate predictably to impact. Place a target at 25 to 50 yards to get on paper quickly. This reduces large corrections later. As you take the first shot, observe relative impact versus aim point and note both wind and hold. Those details tell you which adjustments to make first. You now refine zero with deliberate small corrections. After each 3-shot group, move turrets by the measured click value. This prevents overcorrection and helps you track trend lines. Make sure the magnifier's diopter and red dot focus eliminate parallax. If your eye shifts, POI moves, so fix the sight picture first. Once groups center within acceptable tolerance, repeat adjustments and refire. By focusing on group consistency rather than single shots, you'll isolate mechanical error from shooter error and converge efficiently. You finish by validating the zero at the distance you'll use operationally. Fire confirmation groups and log turret clicks and conditions for repeatability. Once satisfied, test from varied positions to ensure the magnifier remains aligned and detents hold under movement. If the point of impact wanders, troubleshoot systematically. Recheck mount torque, inspect for loose rings or cant, ensure the magnifier isn't shifting on its mount, and verify ammunition consistency. If needed, repeat the short-range re-zero and then reconfirm at full distance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.